Hey everyone! So for the last 2 weeks my kids have been asking to be added to a video, so I decided I would let them critique my artwork. This is the result. The youngest one wasn't super interested after about 5 minutes, so you won't hear a lot of them. In this picture I am doing a draw this again for a user on Instagram. They will be posted in the description box, as well as a link to the final image.
Hi! Hello! Today I'm going to be reacting to my mommy's art.
You need to talk a little louder.
Today I'm going to be reacting to my mommy's art with my siblings. Hi! Oh. Oh no, it's darker. Ooh! The eyes are starting out pretty. I like that mouth. That mouth looks adorable.
That mouth changes a lot in the end.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no! Deal with it.
You're just gonna make a bunch of noises? That's your whole reaction?
Yeah. Oh. Perhaps. Oh no. I just did an arm and then I redid the arm and I don't know why, but it's weird. The hairstyle. I don't know why it's like this, but it is.
So what's happening? What do you think is good?
Those ears. The ears look perfect. Literally nothing. Nothing is good. Oh, you turned everything red. That's weird. That mouse is weird. This thing is weird as poo.
What, you don't like it?
I don't like the first part where there's just like
I see what
you do it and you redo it, you do it and you redo it and you do it and you redo it and you do it and you redo it over and over. I like what it looks like at the end, but I don't know if I like it at the start. Perhaps I like it at the start. I don't know. I think you're being sarcastic there. No, I'm being true.
Hey, look, eyes.
Yay! Oh.
Hey, look, eyes again.
Oh. Yay!
Hey, look, I'm working on the tails.
We still got like 100 more tails to go.
100?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna add that many tails.
More than 100. 1,002,000 tails.
I don't think there's enough room in that picture for 1,002,000 tails.
Actually, you can just make tails as small as my fingers.
Oh, okay.
And then do a lot.
Finger tails.
Pinky tails. I really gazillion love this little picture. This picture.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The one that I'm using the design from?
Yeah. This is going out very weird at first. Those are like 1,000 tails. I don't know why.
1,000 tails?
Like 1,000.
Oh, okay.
1,000? That's not nearly enough.
Millions and millions. 1,002,100 billion.
Oh my goodness, that's even more than Lily told me to put in.
Still not enough.
Yeah. Then you, Ryan. The face is starting out weird, and the torso looks kind of weird as well. The arms look weird, and the face looks weird, and it's getting kind of good. Okay, I can tell you one thing for certain. I am not this good. I'm good, but I'm not this good. It's ending out kind of weird. What? I don't get that. I don't get it. I don't know what's happening, guys, so just, yeah.
I work on the face forever.
Oh, why do you work on them? robe and stuff.
Soon.
Why is the face the main priority?
Because the face is important. The face is all there is.
Those eyes look kind of prettier. Actually, they look much prettier. I wonder if it's just a face and then feet. Perhaps. I wonder.
Wonder what?
Nothing.
You giving me sass?
No. Are there 4 ears?
There are at least 3, yes.
Okie dokie. Artie Chucky. Ooh, me likey.
Ow.
What are you drinking?
Coffee. You want some?
Yes.
Keep doing that.
Ooh, that's the hair. And we're doing the hair. And I was looking directly at the screen. My face is literally right at the screen. It's not anymore. Wait, did you put any stuff in it?
Yeah, creamer.
I don't taste any creamer.
It's like 90% creamer.
No.
Do you want more creamer?
Yes. Ow, my tongue burns. It was the coffee. The coffee was very hot. Things are happening. I can't tell what yet.
Yeah?
But the neck looks very doofy.
Oh, does it?
And the teeth.
Yeah, the teeth look really bad. I don't fix that until way later. Anyway, you think what?
I think that's all.
Oh, okay.
That was weird.
Yeah, I moved that arm around about 50 times.
Do.
Oh yeah, I added another arm too.
How many arms did you add?
17.
No way. Did you realize that you were also moving a tail when you moved that head?
I wasn't gonna keep it there. It was to test to see if I should move it later.
Okay. Perhaps. What did you do to that hair? It's looking decent. That's really all I can say. Oh no! I don't like that. I like those stars, but I didn't like that black stuff everywhere. Oh, you're copying them.
Yeah.
Ooh, fur. I like that fur hair. Ooh, I like that band. Could you hear me? Probably could when I went. Probably. Man. That was just me stretching, by the way. This picture looks. It looks.
It looks what?
It looks.
It looks.
That's it.
It looks.
By the way, what I think about pictures with eyes constantly open forever, the eyes just stare into your soul forever.
Well, what am I supposed to do? Animate every single picture so the eyes blink?
Hey, I'm pretty sure that everything that you see that's like circly and stuff started out as blocks. They're basically really small blocks. ba 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 ba. Are those sticks? They're probably chopsticks or pens.
They're hair sticks.
No, the chopsticks. There's no way this looks anything like that picture outside.
No, this is the same exact picture as this. Or do you mean this one up here?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm drawing it in my style.
Oh. Okay. But your style looks very bad. I'm kidding. At least this picture looks really bad.
Oh, okay.
I feel kind of nappy. I also feel kind of playful. What are you doing?
Just watch.
Ooh. Me likes that.
Alright, that's enough.
Why?
Because you're starting to give me like the Grudge vibe or some shit.
What? I like that tail. I like the tails. Tails are cute. That's a lot of tails. Many tails. Highlights.
Highlights.
What was that? Don't touch the hair. Do not make that hair disappear. It looks creepy as heck. Not saying I wouldn't want her bald. She'd look adorable, still bald. She'd look adorable bald as well. But, yeah. Please don't. It's really creepy when that happens. At least like make some detail under the hair so it's better. Like more head. Not just lines and blue stuff. That third ear is weird.
Listen, I didn't design it.
Yes, you
I didn't know.
What is this? What is this? What is this? What is it?
That's me drawing it. There's a difference between drawing and designing.
Yo! Drawing is designing.
No.
Yes.
No, a design is something that you come up with, the original idea.
No.
This is the design.
No.
That up in the corner is the design.
That's... No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
It's just drawing.
Oh.
You're working on everything?
A little bit. Please, I'm begging you. Try communicating in English. What do you think of it?
Terrible.
Terrible.
I'm kidding. It looks great. It looks great. It's great. It's great.
Yeah.
Not as good as the one on the picture that you were trying to draw.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, not the one on this. This one looks much better.
Oh okay.
Actually, no. They look kind of alike.
That's
They look.
kind of the goal.
This one looks good. This one looks better.
Okay.
JK, they both look.
I'm not
amazing.
insulted. You're entitled to your opinion.
I know, but they look amazing.
Okay.
Except it kind of looks like she's smoking an orange cigarette. Everything just turned into red rock-looking things, and they didn't even look look like rocks. They just looked ugly. Very ugly. The ugliest of ugly. What was that? Was that just words all over the screen?
Yep. It's my signature.
What? What's a signature?
It's a thing that says that I drew this.
How many colors do you need? You certainly don't need purple.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you'd like to see something more like this again. If there's anything you want to say to the kiddos, please feel free. I will be reading every one of these comments to them. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.